So what are you doing?
I am making a volcano eruption.
Okay, so what's the first thing you did?
I put some vinegar, so glass vinegar, into my test tube, and then the next step is to put some dish soap in it.
Oh yeah. All right.
Place the test tube into.
So where's the dish soap?
I'm gonna be right back and go get that dish
All right.
soap.
So you got a little bit of dish soap.
And I'm going to just put dishwash liquid. I'm just going to put a little bit of that in. That's ridiculous. So, there it is.
Okay, so you added the dish soap to the vinegar.
Do you think I'll need a little more?
You put a little squirt in, just like it said, right?
I put a little squirt in.
Yep. All right, so close it up.
Oops. These are what I use so far: vinegar and dish soap.
Okay.
Use Ajax, bleach, and it smells like grapefruit and oranges.
Okay.
That should smell pretty good.
All right, so what's the next step? So you put it in the large pan, right?
Yes, I did.
Why do you think we need the big pan?
So when it explodes, it will not go everywhere.
Okay, so how should you position that in the pan?
By putting it right in the middle.
Okay, so what's the next step?
I'm putting it sideways.
Okay.
Next step is to fill the rest of the testing tube with red volcano powder. Stand back up, watch the volcano.
Okay, so do you know what the red powder is?
It is volcano powder, which makes it actually the reaction explode.
Okay, so that powder is baking soda.
Yes.
With red food coloring.
Just gonna cut a corner open.
All right, so you're just gonna put a little bit in. Careful with your fingers, please. Do you need an adult to help you?
No.
Okay.
You do need adult supervision.
Oh yeah?
Because you could do it a little bit wrong.
Just a little bit.
That is super cool. It's actually going down. So.
Yeah. Is it what you were expecting?
No. Oh, that's hot.
Is it hot?
It's not what I was expecting. I thought it was going to be bigger, so I should have added a little more dish soap and a little more powder. So.
Think so?
I think I'm going to do that.
Do you think it's dish